Hey guys, this is Fundom on Wanchupagama. Coming up next on Uzalo this week, Monday, Kunzi promised to make it to the gala event coming hill or higher water. Despite his predicament, Nosipho refused a politics request from Kuala. Viga and the councillor reach a compromising after much back and forth while Lily fighting for her transfer. Tuesday, a desperate Gabsile threatens to blast a Commissioner Stolle abuse of power on the radio and social media if he does not release Kunzi. Wednesday, Viga gets a major win in Watuguza, and Lily might have alternative to guarantee her transfer to Mpumalanga, while Nosipho prove hands with Kuala Church kids. This day, a mysterious man makes a jaw-dropping donation, while Kapsile rejects the advance of persistence Mtambisi. Commission's Tolle tries to intimidate Kunzi while Nosipho is forced to confess her past in interrogations. Friday, Kapsile is intrigued by Mtambisi Phakati while Nosipho stands up to Nkunzi. Matongwe is hate that Lily is sudden living. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.